What if you could turn an idea into a business, without writing a single line of code? Mindaugas, a former recruiter with zero engineering experience, did just that. Using Lovable, he built a career guidance tool that landed paying users. From just a prototype. No developers. No expensive courses. Just him, AI, and a problem worth solving. He didn't wait to perfect the product, he launched fast, learned faster, and scaled smarter. He added features like a community forum and rolling content delivery, all built solo, with AI. And now, he's rebuilding his entire startup, Coho, on Lovable, proving you don't need a tech background to build real, valuable products. If you've got an idea and a willingness to try, Lovable gives you everything you need to bring it to life. Start building with Lovable today. You don't need to code, just start.